car hater was wrong here in Jersey, especially on the car lane. Oh, look, Honda's got its flashes on. It's very scary out here. I always take the truck lane here on the New Jersey Turnpike because people on the car lanes love the left lane. Now, unfortunately, yeah, you get some jerk-offs in the left lane here in the truck lane also, but for the most part, this usually smooth sailing. Right now, even the truckers are driving slow. I mean, like I said, everyone has forgotten how to drive. This is not that bad. You know, I don't know. It's craziness, but this just sucks because now people are dying to have accidents. And you know what? Auto body shops have definitely been suffering because there hasn't really been any bad weather. See how long this thing goes for. This is kind of ridiculous. Come on, guys. Let's go. People, if you're scared and you can't drive in the rain, just like in the snow, stay home. Just stay home. Finally, I got around all these idiots who are so afraid to drive. Listen, if you're afraid to drive, buy an Audi. You don't have Quattro, you don't have a chance. All right? There you go.